In this TradingView tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use the TradingView charting platform. I will take you through the basics of setting up, customizing, and using this powerful trading platform. You will discover how to analyze TradingView charts, how to use TradingView drawing tools, how to conduct research within TradingView, how to create your own personalized charts and trading strategies within TradingView, and more. By the time you have finished with this video, you will know all the tips and tricks on how to get the most out of TradingView. Don't miss out on this complete TradingView tutorial. And real quick, if you're new here, my name is Kundai and I'd like to welcome you to the PiggiBacks channel, where we provide educational crypto trading and investing content, simplified to help you get started or elevate your personal finance journey. So if you're interested in crypto, trading, or investing, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Right, so first I'm going to show you how you can create a TradingView account for free. If you already have a TradingView account set up, feel free to skip this section. See the video timestamps below to skip to the most relevant section you need help with. I've also included full subtitles for this video if you need them. You can turn them on using the CC button on the YouTube player. To create a TradingView account, simply go to the TradingView website. I've also included a link to TradingView in the description below and in the comment section. Select the blue Get Started button. You'll be taken to the plans page where you can sign up for a free or paid TradingView plan. As you can see, the three main subscriptions that are offered by TradingView are the Pro plan, the Pro Plus plan, and the Premium plan. You can get a free TradingView trial for 30 days on any of the plans if you're new to TradingView. I always recommend that new or beginner traders go for the Pro plan, as it'll give you all the tools that you'll need as a beginner. You can always upgrade to a more advanced plan as you progress within your trading journey. Alternatively, you can sign up for the free plan for TradingView that comes with various limitations such as displayed advertisements, a maximum of 3 indicators on a chart, no time intervals or timeframes, limited historical data, and a variety of other restrictions. To see all the differences between the free plan and the paid plans, simply scroll down to the Compare Plans section and you'll be able to see all the different features and allowances included within each plan. That being said, the free plan is still a brilliant place to start with TradingView. You get enough functionality and features to make a decision on whether you want to progress to a paid plan or not. Besides, you get a free 30-day free trial on any of the paid plans and can cancel the subscription anytime before the free 30 days period is over so that you don't get charged. And once the plan is cancelled, you will automatically be signed up to the free TradingView version, and you can always upgrade later. So there's also no rush to upgrade, as you can get the free version for as long as you need. Although I'd recommend the Pro plan for new traders or beginners that want to take their trading and investing journey seriously. Let me show you how to do this. To set up a Pro plan TradingView account, select the button within the Pro plan section. Sign up using Facebook, Google, or by simply typing in your email address. Create a password and activate your TradingView account using the link that will be sent to the email address that you registered with. You can create your profile on this page by uploading an image and inputting your name and last name. Select continue and you'll come back to the plans page. You'll have to select your desired plan again, and note that the platform may be running a special offer for an annual plan. I'd recommend that you trial the account type that you would most likely go for if you were to have a paid TradingView account in the future. This way, you know that you're getting all the features you need when your trial ends. If you just want to see the full unrestricted version of TradingView, then opt in for the premium account trial. I will sign up using a monthly Pro plan in this tutorial, as I have a premium plan which I already use on my personal account. Select the button for the plan you want and you'll be taken to a payments page where you'll have to enter your payment details if you chose a paid free trial plan, but you won't be charged if you decide to cancel your free trial before the free 30-day period has passed. This way, you get to see what a proper TradingView account is like before committing to actually paying for it. Input your details and select the button to the right. You will then be signed up for a free paid plan for 30 days, and the last day for the free trial will be stated on this page. Select Start Charting to begin using TradingView, and you'll be taken to the chart section of the website where you can use your new trial plan features.